I've never bought a Squier before. In spanky purple. I was watching an editor's video, and editor's made me do it. Pete did keep that one, the ASMR one. Okay, leave it on there for now. First impressions. It's spangly, isn't it? Oh, I like it. I like the big headstocks. It's a lot lighter. Oh my goodness, it's a lot lighter than my other Telecaster. Pretty sure I'm going to need to do 1 or 2 upgrades on it. Which was the intention anyway. Use it as a platform. Future upgrades include, well, I'll start off with the cap behind here, and I'll do a tone comparison with the two. So how it sounds with the stock cap, and how it sounds with, say, a orange drop cap. After that, I'll look at the saddles and the nuts of Graphtec. They're really good, those Graphtecs. And then for here, the creamery have a set that I drop right in. Gloss on the front here. I think it's setting on the back, isn't it? I may have to get my steel wool out to the back here and just like wipe that down a few times and get rid of some of that gloss. Let's plug it in. Just have it on clean with everything at like 12 o'clock, alright? Alright, I'm going to tune it up first though. I'm not comfortable. Just want to get in the ballpark. I'm not going to be precise. Whoa. I probably will change the tuners. I don't like these already, but yeah, that's what you get in that price point, I guess. I do have a set of hip shot over there somewhere in a box, but they're going on to a different guitar that I'm working on right now. The Squier Purple Monster. It's clear to me that it needs some upgrades straight out of the box. Those tuners from the set I have on here, pretty much not fit for purpose. I've not even been able to set this thing up yet. Okay, let me show you something. I'm going to get the G here and tune, and I'm going to zoom in so that you can see what's going on. Hold on, stop. There we are. So back to the G. You probably can't see that, but it says E right now. You ready? E, or an F sharp. You see that jump? Back to C, or D. Normally it goes back to C sharp, but it's been doing this. And it's not just this one tuner, but we're back up to the F. You just keep jumping. It's going to jump any second now. There we are. You hear that? Back down to the C sharp again. I've noticed it does that on this string, it does it on the high E. I was getting it like once or maybe on this one, and then the next time it worked all right, but clearly these tuners are not fit for purpose. The other thing I'm noticing, can you hear that? It sounds like a sitar, which tells me the nut is no good. Let me just go back to that. The nut is no good. It's not cut right. Either it doesn't get enough angle, or the width isn't right, or something like that. And luckily for me, I have here a couple of the Tusks nut, and I happen to have a set of hip shot lock-in tuners here that are for a different guitar that I'm currently working on. I'm waiting for some things to happen before I can finish it off. So I'm going to go ahead and install these. But you know, straight out of the box, you know, knowing that I'm having to spend more money on some tuners. Okay, the nuts are not expensive, but these are, you know, I expect that the saddles are no good either, and I'm probably going to replace those. I'll get the Graftex for that. It's about another £50 to £60, between 60 and 80 for these, and the 10. So, you know, it mounts up actually. So anyway, I'm going to go ahead and get these off and place the tuners. Honestly, these are so bad, I wouldn't even like sell these on eBay. You know, Squier tuners, going cheap, £5. The rubbish, do you know what I mean? My eBay's been around for years and I have a very good record. Okay, let's have a look at this. Probably need to push those bushings out. Double check on the front. I'll get those off. Have to push them out with something. Nope. There's the bouncy balls. Get out. They're stuck on there, aren't they? That one's coming out, that one's coming out. 3, 4, 5. Almost. Nope, didn't budge. This one's in good and proper, innit? Let's have a look, see from the other side. Not even budging that. Here we go. Almost took my hand off as well, but we got there. I'm going to see if I can figure out before I read it, because I like that. So they go onto the plate, they fit into there like that. So you just put your holes in there. Bugger, I need to ream it out. Haha, they're the old style. Do I want to do that, or do I want to just get a different set for this? Huh? What would you do at this point? There's a little dent in there. Look, tiny little dent. See that? Huh. I'm starting to wonder. this guitar should be like returned, maybe. They probably won't allow me now that I've taken this stuff off. Yeah, there's definitely a little like pimple, and I know that on the B stock, I've seen things like that on the B stock of other models. What would you do? What would you do? So these must be, I guess, 8.5 mil, I'm assuming. Bugger. I could have a remit from the back, get that in, then we have some hip straps on there, or I'm changing that because it's got a sitar sound on it. Maybe I just got a bad one, you know.